Oh, my bad. You already know what time it is. It's time for that unboxing. YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy, Sneakerhead Dread. Back up in here, man. And first thing first, I want to say, hope everybody is doing well. I know we're going through a rough time right now. Everyone is. It's across the globe, man. Everybody going through this, So I just want everybody to be safe. Everybody be safe. Please try not to get sick. Stay in the house. That's the only thing we can do right now, is just stay in the house, and be with our family, occupy times right now, But today, your boy got some early heat for y'all. But first, let's say this. A lot of sneakers have been getting pushed back. Let's say Jordan brand, Adidas. A lot of stuff been getting pushed back because of this whole quarantine, virus. Like, for instance, the DMPs, sixes, they got pushed back. The Court Purple fours, I think they got pushed back also. I haven't updated, I haven't checked up on the apps to see are they still supposed to come out. But they did have a couple pair of shoes that was supposed to come out on the same day. So I just knew something wasn't right, But a lot of stuff have been getting pushed back, and hopefully everything can get back to normal soon. And, we can continue copping what we copping, And but my only thing is, with this Flex app thing, we getting reserves. Now they started back up with reserves. Like, I seen the Court Purpose on the reserves on the Flex app through Champs, Finish Line, Foot Locker. But how would we pick up our pairs? If they don't want you in places, more than 50 people at a time, especially at a mall anyway. So how you gonna pick up your pairs? But hopefully this is over with soon and we can go back to normal, living a normal life. Cause I'm about to go crazy. But I know what y'all came for. Y'all came for this unboxing. But you see what we got going on over here? Some early heat. Originally, these was supposed to drop on, say, April 11th. But that couldn't be right. They had the DMP 6s dropping on April 11th too. So that's why I'm saying a lot of stuff is getting pushed back. The dates getting switched around. And I just got notification that these got pushed back to June. So we sitting about 2 months early over here. But yeah. Let's see what we got going on. First off, let's check out this paper. Now the paper nice. Usually with Jordan brand, I'm surprised. I am surprised. With a box like this, they usually raise the price. The box is nice. The box is very dope. They usually raise the price. And I'm surprised. And the retail is $190. Size 8. Personal size, as you can see. But let's get back into this shoe. See this paper? Yeah. Let me see before I show them y'all. Let's see what we got going on right here. Ooh, they fire. Ready for these things? Ready for them? Air Jordan 6 hares. They clean. They clean. And I do got the 7s also. I do got the 7s. But I'm on the fence now. I must say, these hares, the 6s might be better than the 7s, to my humble opinion. I like these better. I'm sorry. That color just pop. It just pop. But I see how the bottom they got that. It's more like a infrared at the bottom a little bit. More like an infrared. You got that lime green hits on the back. I definitely like them, man. I definitely like these a lot. Might be a double up action. But yeah. These are fire. I do like how they got the laces with the yellow, the little green accent right there. Yeah. They fire. But y'all let me know if y'all like these or the 7s are better. But for me, I'm rocking with these. So you know, that's how we do it. On YouTube, check it out. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I got more heat coming, more early heat. I'm telling you, more content. Rock with me. I got y'all boys. We out.